My restaurant serves a fusion of Western and Asian cuisines. And like the food, my employees are a living picture of the restaurant's specialities. He'll get to experience the magnificent talents of hardworking Filipinos. They're very honest, very efficient, and most of all, it's their smiles that keep our customers coming back. For my business, it's really the relationships with the people and the hard work put into every dish that makes it a success. I couldn't have done it without my Filipino friends.
Angat sa mata ng ibang lahi ang kakaibang sipag nating mga Pinoy. Global Pinoy, bigatin tayo!